one of the things that I really enjoy about working with our graduate students is that they all come from such different backgrounds, have different life experiences, are entering education through different entry points at different times in their lives, oftentimes. And that all leads to a really, really rich classroom experience. I think our graduate students benefit the most from our hands-on experiential learning that they experience here while they're with us at NYU. We are very big on research-informed practices, and that becomes really clear across field placements and practicums and observation sites, and the work that they get to do hands-on in schools and across education sites in New York City. Not only are we in one of the greatest cities in the world, but also you have access to a group of faculty that live and breathe education and truly care about children, about educators, about the work that happens for future generations. And I can truthfully say that we are such a thoughtful group of people that really think deeply about the experiences that you have here at the university from day one, up until, 10 years later, you'll still be getting surveys from us asking us how you're doing, how you're feeling, and, how your training prepared you. So um, all of these faculty are really, really dedicated to your success and your success with children and adults in schools and education sites across New York City. So I can't think of a better place to study education.